Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, where we talk about all things AI and tech. In today's video, we're going to talk about AI chatbots and how they are changing the world of tech and media. AI chatbots are computer programs that can communicate with humans using natural language, either through text or voice. They use artificial intelligence, or AI, to learn from data and generate responses that are relevant, coherent, and sometimes creative. AI chatbots have many applications, such as customer service, education, entertainment, and personal assistance. Some of the big players in the field of AI chatbots are Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, and Meta. They have developed some of the most advanced and popular AI chatbot products, such as Bing AI, Verge, ChatGPT, and Aria. These products use large language models, or LLMs, which are huge neural networks that can process billions of words and generate text on any topic. In this video, we're going to explore some of the latest news, developments, and controversies surrounding AI chatbots, based on a web page from The Verge. The link to the web page is in the description below. Let's get started. First, let's look at some of the recent achievements and innovations in AI chatbot technology. One of the most impressive examples is the Korean nuclear fusion experiment that achieved 100 million degrees C for 30 seconds using Bing AI. Nuclear fusion is the process of combining atoms to release energy, which is how the sun and stars work. It has the potential to provide clean and unlimited energy for humanity. However, it is very difficult to achieve and sustain nuclear fusion on Earth. That's why scientists in South Korea used Bing AI to help them control and optimize their fusion reactor. Bing AI is Microsoft's AI chatbot that can answer questions, generate content, and perform tasks using information from the web. The scientists used Bing AI to chat with the reactor and adjust its parameters in real time. As a result, they managed to create a plasma that was 7 times hotter than the core of the sun for 30 seconds. This was a major breakthrough for nuclear fusion research and a demonstration of how AI chatbots can help solve complex problems. Another interesting innovation is the Machine Unlearning Challenge by Google. Machine unlearning is the process of making AI forget certain data that it has learned from. This is important for privacy reasons, especially when the data contains personal or sensitive information that may have been deleted from the source. For example, if you upload a photo to an online service that uses AI to enhance it, you may want to delete the photo later and make sure that the AI does not remember it or use it for other purposes. Google wants to find ways to make this possible for its AI products, such as Bard. Bard is Google's AI chatbot that can write emails, summaries, stories, and more using information from the web. Google is holding a machine unlearning challenge, in which researchers must make Bard forget a certain subset of the images that it has learned from. This is a difficult task because Bard uses a large language model that tends to memorize details of its training set. The challenge aims to find solutions that can protect the privacy or rights of the individuals concerned. A third example of innovation is the AI-generated buying guides by Bing. Buying guides are useful resources that help consumers compare products based on specs and reviews. However, creating buying guides manually can be time-consuming and tedious. That's why Bing has introduced a feature that can generate buying guides automatically using AI. Now when you search for things like college supplies on Bing, you will see a link to an AI-made guide that offers comparisons between products in the same categories, such as headphones or laptops. The guide contains an AI-generated summary about what you're looking for, along with a list of products relevant to your search. You can also hit the Compare button to see a chart that pulls specs from the product manufacturer's websites and compares them side by side. You can access these buying guides both through Bing Chat and in the Edge sidebar. This feature makes shopping easier and more convenient for users. Now let's move on to some of the potential risks and drawbacks of AI chatbot technology. One of the major challenges is dealing with defamation lawsuits caused by false information generated by AI chatbots. This is what happened to OpenAI, which was sued by a radio host who was falsely accused of fraud by ChatGPT. ChatGPT is OpenAI's AI chatbot that can generate text on any topic using a large language model called GPT-3. ChatGPT stated that Mark Walters, a radio host in Georgia, had been accused of defrauding and embezzling funds from a non-profit organization. The system generated this information in response to a request from a third party, a journalist named Fred Reel. Walters filed a defamation lawsuit against OpenAI, seeking unspecified monetary damages. This case raises the question of who is responsible for the content generated by AI chatbots and how to prevent them from spreading false or harmful information. Another challenge is addressing the privacy concerns raised by regulators over AI chatbot products. This is what Google faced when it tried to expand access to its AI chatbot Bard for 180 new countries and territories. However, none of the European Union nations were included in the list. This is because Google failed to answer privacy questions from the Irish Data Protection Commission, or DPC, which is the regulator for Google's Dublin-based EU operations. The DPC wanted to know how Google handles the personal data of users who interact with Bard, such as their email addresses, messages, and attachments. Google did not provide satisfactory answers, so the DPC blocked the launch of Bard in the EU. This shows how AI chatbot products have to comply with different privacy laws and regulations in different regions. A third challenge is tackling the misinformation problem caused by AI chatbots that generate false or misleading statements on topics like vaccines and climate change. This is what researchers found when they compared content created by humans to language generated by OpenAI's model GPT-3. The researchers surveyed people to see if they could discern whether a tweet was written by another person or by GPT-3. The result was that people couldn't really do it. The survey also asked them to decide whether the information in each tweet was true or not. This is where things get even dicier, especially since the content focused on science topics that are subject to a lot of misinformation campaigns online. The researchers found that people were more likely to believe tweets written by GPT-3 than by humans, even when they were false or unsupported by evidence. This suggests that AI chatbots can influence people's opinions and beliefs in negative ways. To conclude, AI chatbots are changing the world of tech and media in both positive and negative ways. They have many applications and benefits, such as helping with nuclear fusion research, machine unlearning, and buying guides. They also have many challenges and risks, such as defamation lawsuits, privacy concerns, and misinformation problems. AI chatbots are still evolving and improving, so we can expect to see more news, developments, and controversies surrounding them in the future. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new and interesting about AI chatbots. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI and tech. Also, let me know what you think about AI chatbots in the comments section below. Do you use them? Do you trust them? Do you like them? I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. That's all for today. See you next time.